Hello guys, I welcome you to my Django series for the absolute beginners. Now this course is meant for the very beginners, those of you who has started your journey in web development. This is going to take you from the very beginning until you become a professional in Django development. We are going to be taking charge of the views, the models, and even the templates. We are also going to be looking into the URL routing and other aspects of Django like Django forms and Django mails. So stick to this channel as we are going to be building an awesome project. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be getting a notification. Now, I welcome you once more into this series. I believe that by the end of this course, you are going to have a sound understanding of Django, the Python framework that is used for building a scalable web application.